Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 7, Anti-Colonial Movements and the Birth of Nationalism. Students, today I am going to complete this lesson. Listen here carefully. Militant nationalism. Militant nationalism, otherwise known as extremists. Yesterday I told you who are all known as extremists. Lal Bal Paul, Lala Lajpat Rai of Punjab, Bala Gangadhar Tilak of Maharashtra, and Bipin Chandra Pal of Bengal were known as extremists. They fought against the British. They followed the violent method. The moderates followed the non-violent method, but the extremists followed the violent method. The non-violence method do not give independence for us, because of without any bloodshed, the moderates want to get freedom through the petitions and demands. But the extremists thought that without weapons, not able to attain the independence, they thought that. So, they followed the violent method. Bal Lal Paul, Lala Lajpat Rai of Punjab, Bala Gangadhar Tilak of Maharashtra, and Bipin Chandra Pal of Bengal. They fought against the British through the violence method. In South India, Swadeshi movement was started. Swadeshi literally means what? One's own country. So Swadeshi's main aim what? Self-government. Self-government. They demanded for self-government. Swadeshi movement was started in India. In South India, Tuticorin was the place of Swadeshi movement was started initially. Swadeshi movement was started in South India at Tuticorin. In Swadeshi movement, when Swadeshi movement was started, they launched Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company by the V.O. Chidambaranath. V.O. Chidambaranath started Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. They started in South India at Tuticorin. Note it, students. Swaraj. One's own country known as Swadeshi, already told you. The many leaders fought against the Swadeshi movement. Against the British. They started the Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi literally means one's own country. Already told you. Swaraj. The Bala Gangadhar Tilak one of the extremists started the Swaraj movement. He said that Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. சுயராஜ்யம் என்பது எனது பிறப்புரிமை, அதை நான் அடைந்தே தீர்வேன். Said by Tilak, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He started the Swaraj movement in India against the British. But British not supported this movement, Swaraj movement. Home Rule movement. Home Rule movement was started in Mumbai by Tilak, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Started Home Rule movement at Mumbai. And Annie Besant started the Home Rule movement at Adayar in Chennai. Both of them joined together and fought against the British. Home Rule movement. They wanted to host foreign people from India. The India wanted to get independence. That is the motive of the Tilak and Annie Besant. Annie Besant, one of the famous lady, she was started the homes for old age. Homes were started at Adaya, and Annie Besant declared many newspapers, through the newspapers, Annie Besant declared the voice of Indians. In 1914, Britain fought against the Germany. In 1914, First World War. During the First World War, in 1914, Britain declared war against the Germany. At the time, India was under the control of British. The British said that if the Indians participate in this war in between Britain and Germany, Indians participated in this war. After the war, they promised to Indians for dominion status in India. If India participated against the Germany, supported to the British promised that after the war, the self-government were provided to India. They said, British said. According to that, India, all the Indians, particularly the moderates, participated in the First World War, 1914, against the Germany. But after the war, there is no concrete outcome for Indians regarding the self-government for India. The Britishers opposed, not provided the independence for India. So, both extremists and moderates angered against the British. Objectives of the Home Rule movement. There are several objectives in the Home Rule movement. Home Rule means self-government. Home Rule means self-government. Their main objective is what you know? India wanted to get self-government, first one. Second one, to attain the dominion status. India wanted to attain the dominion status for India. Third point, to use non-violent method. Non-violent method. Without taking arms and armaments, want to get independence. These are all the objectives of the Home Rule movement noted. Lucknow Pact. In 1916, Lucknow Pact was started. Before Lucknow Pact, the moderates and extremists were fought against each other. Why? Because of moderates policy was non-violent method, but extremist policy was violent method. So Gandhiji opposed the extremists. So they fought against each other, extremists and moderates. Finally, during the time of Lucknow Pact in 1916, both moderates and extremists were joined together to solve the problems. Reunion during the time of Lucknow Pact in 1916, and Muslim League was started during that time. But Congress adopted Muslim League, agreed to self-government in India. Muslim League also promised that, agreed to self-government in India, wanted to get the self-government in India. Both Muslim League and also moderates, extremists, all are joined together. In return, Congress accepted the separate elected for Muslims. The Congress accepted separate elected for Muslims. The Muslim League supported to the Indian independence. In return, Congress accepted separate elected for the Muslims after the independence. British response. Yes, the demand for Swaraj, the demand for Swaraj was self-government. Wanted to get self-government. In 1919, British government announced the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. In 1919, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were started. In these reforms, the self-government for India, they promised that self-government want to provide it for India. Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. But finally, the disappointment for the Indians. There was no concrete outcome for any kind of independence for India. The Indians were disappointed. So, the Indian government enacted the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was started. The government enacted the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was started by the British. Without warrant, without trial, all the people were arrested. I will explain you later. Rowlatt Act, one point is, main point is that. I am going to explain you later. Now, students, listen here carefully. Once again, I am going to recall militant nationalism. In South, militant nationalists were extremists, known as extremists, Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai of Punjab, Bala Gangadhar Tilak of Maharashtra, and Bipin Chandra Pal of Bengal were known as extremists. Extremists, they fought against the British. The violent method were followed by the extremists. Lal Bal Pal noted. And in South India, Tuticorin was started for a Swadeshi movement was started at Tuticorin in South India. It was Swadeshi movement was launched. After the Swadeshi movement was launched, the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company was started in Tuticorin by V.O. Chidambaranath. Swaraj, Bala Gangadhar Tilak declared that Swaraj means what? Self-government. One's own country. Swadeshi like that. He said that, Bala Gangadhar Tilak said that, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. He said that. Bala Gangadhar Tilak started the Swaraj movement, and in this movement against the British. India wanted to get independence from the British. That is the main aim of Swaraj. Home Rule movement. Home Rule movement was started by Bala Gangadhar Tilak and also Annie Besant. Bala Gangadhar Tilak started Home Rule movement at Mumbai, and Annie Besant started Home Rule movement at Chennai, Adaya. Both of them joined together and fought against the Home Rule. Home Rule, India for Indians. They wanted to host foreigners, British people from India. In 1914, First World War was started. In that First World War, all the moderates joined together, and Britishers requested moderates. During the time, British fought against the Germany. At that time, the moderate they said that, Britishers said that after the war, they wanted to provide a dominion status for India. That's why moderate support goes to British against the Germany. So War was over in between Britain and Germany. Britain got victorious, but after the war, there was no concrete outcome, any kind of independence for India. So, disappointment for Indians noted. Objectives of the Home Rule movement. The main aim of Home Rule movement was to attain the self-government. First one. Second one, to attain the dominion status for India. Dominion status for India. Third one, to use of non-violent method. With the non-violent method only, want to get independence. That is the main objectives of the Home Rule movement. Lucknow Pact. Lucknow Pact was started in 1916. Before Lucknow Pact, both moderates and the extremists were fought against each other. The extremists followed the violent method and moderates followed the non-violent method. Both of them fought against each other. Finally, during the Lucknow Pact, both of them joined together. Moderates and extremists were joined together against the British. And the Muslim League was started. The Congress agreed. Both Muslim League and Congress joined together and agreed self-government for India. But in return, the Congress accepted separate electorate for Muslims. Then British response. As a demand for Swaraj, self-government, in 1919, British government announced Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. In 1919, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were announced by the British government. According to that, they promised to provide self-government for India, but finally the disappointment for the Indians. There is no results. India not able to get independence from the British during the time of 1919 in Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. The government enacted, British government enacted, the Rowlatt Act was started. Rowlatt Act means what you know? Without warrant, without trial, all the Indians were arrested. I am going to explain in the next class. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.